Guys, I'm really impressed with this tool on AppSumo right now with 31 positive reviews called Learniverse. Create learning in minutes with AI turn a few words or PDFs into training your team will love. The tool just use AI to create your full course training and it works beautifully. Unfortunately, they do not have all language, but it's already multi-language. They do not have Portuguese, which is a language that I'm waiting for. But I'm gonna show you that the best deal here will be the license tier 4 because the tool consumes a lot of credits and you need to have more learners per group. You will have more groups, more modules per course, and also more learners. And with one training, you're gonna spend around 100 credits, so it's better to get the license tier 4, but the tool worth it if you are into the AI course creation field. Let's take a look at the tool. Here's Learniverse. I'm gonna show you how it works. I already created a course. As you can see, I created a training and I'm out of credits. I bought tier 2. I already saving money to buy tier 4. I only want they to confirm that they will add Portuguese language. And as you can see here, you go on settings and you're gonna manage all your academic things like the academic color, the favicon, the logo, the voice, everything. I did everything on Portuguese, but the course when I create it, the output is in English. You need to upgrade to Pro lifetime tier 4 to get the custom domain, so it's important to have the lifetime tier 4. The language here that they have right now, it's English, French, Deutsch, Korean, Italian, Vietnamese, Netherlands, Svenka, etc. They have Chinese, a lot of language, but no Portuguese. I don't know why. Still waiting for that. And as you can see here, if you want to create a course, you just go here, create course, and then you can start from a plan or start from scratch. Starting from a plan, you plan the course with AI first, then generate from stronger outline of audience and learning objective sites. Plan with AI before generation starts, keep structure, audience, and outcomes aligned. Move faster with a stronger blueprint. So you can just create a plan and then you be specific about what kind of plan you want to create. You add the timeline, if it's 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours plan, let's say introduction constitutional law course. Then you can choose to allow public resource. Planning may also pull public articles and videos useful for general knowledge, or you can use your knowledge only. Then you click on start plan generation. And then you're gonna ask some questions. For example, prepare law students for constitutional law coursework or exams. It's what you want. You wanna use Brazilian Constitution or United States Constitution, let's say United States. Focus on fundamental rights and guarantees. How it's cost be delivered by learners. Full self-paced e-learning. How is success will be rated. Learning completion success. And they will create the plan. After they generate the plan, they will create the course. I do not have more credits, so I will stay here on draft. I just used my last 2 credits. As I told you, that's a deal for license tier 4. I'm gonna show you the training page where you can create multi-course learning paths. So just click here on create training and you can add a knowledge and they're gonna create that training based on the knowledge. Just add the of a training and click on the knowledge page, click on start and the tool will create from scratch your training course. The results are really good, really good. I hope that you like that review. I do not have more credits to show you more steps. I can tell you that it works really well and that's how the tool works. You only need to wait the output and you will interact with the AI to approve or not the course. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.